everyone, my name is Lucy, and so today we have bonding time. And I told you that we will not have a quiz, but it is not quiz. Who is that? It is quiz. Who am I? And this one is not quiz. It's like quiz. Who is that? But it isn't. Guess who? Guess who am I? Guess who? It is a name. So now we are going to get started. Are you very excited? We have 8 in total. See if you have 8 and 8. So I'm very excited. 8 and 8. First, let's do this one too. And sorry, let's do these two one first. Okay? And one sentence ends with a exclamation point. Exclamation point. I think you know the answer. Exclamatory. Let's check. I have very good answer key. Yes, it is exclamatory sentence. After finishing this quiz, 2 of these ones, I would have that word. For quiz A, B, C, or D. And so A or B, and then you choose, and I will check the answer key until you're done. If you correct all, you have all 4 points. You can write the answer in your notebook. Okay. Now let's have simple A or B. I choose A. It is declarative, and B is imperative. What is that? A or B? Have your 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A. Oh, you choose B. Okay. You'll change it. B is the correct answer. So you'll finish this quiz and from 2 to 2. Okay? There is some more things to do. This one. Now I have something that it is fun. I will get a paper. I write 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 3. Now, okay, 1, 2. It can. 1 and 3. Which one would you choose? Some you choose this. But it's easy. But I need to choose this one. Parts of speech. This one is a very easy one. So I will not do this. This is who am I? Who am I would be easy. Because comparing 2 things and 3 things. So let's do this one first. I know some of you are sad, but it's okay. And what describes a what, growth, and what D is flowing. And what describes. Now let's find this one first. This one first. Most of them actively slowly, early, quickly. Some of them not, like high, fast, long, short. an adverb. Sorry, long short is not. So in this sentence. So let's have A, adverb, B, adjective. Which one do you choose? A, adverb, B, adjective. A or B, yeah. A or B? So you choose A. Let's find out after this one. Adverb, so I will write the word adverb and what is this? Adverb. Okay. Describe this the word. This or is in this word. I think it's the verb. You say verb. Okay. You say verb. I write verb and then we check. What is a person, place, or thing? Today I learned a blank can be a person, place, or thing. Today I learned a blank can be a person, place, or thing. Today I learned a blank can be a person, place, or thing. A person, place, or thing, and I can touch it. You can touch this like this. What is that? What is that kind? Noun. I'm sorry you say noun. Some you shout at me. But I don't like noisy very much, so please only stay in a Okay. And what describes it? Today I learned the blank describes a noun. Today I learned the blank describes a noun. Today I learned the blank describes a noun. What kind, how many, or whose? Oh, see, some it was an adjective. So I'll write this word and wait for me while I write and check. Okay, I write and then I'll check. Okay, so now let's check it. If I don't change anything, it is correct. Okay. Yeah, you're correct. So you have 4 and 4. And this one will change to 6. Oh, this one. Who am I? You are very excited. So it is the reason that I put it in the end. I want to make a surprise at the end. Carefully. I am used. Okay. I am used when comparing two things. I am used when comparing two things. I am used when comparing two things. Who am I? It is the suffix. You say ER. Okay. I am used when comparing 3 or more things. I am used when comparing 3 or more things. I am used when comparing 3 or more things. More things. Who am I? It's also suffix. We learned already with ER. With this suffix. You say EST. So let's wait for check. So it is correct. ER and EST. So let's review all we learned today. I will move here. Let's see. Sentence words. Oh. Oh no. imperative sentence, tell something. Set the table and then to the period. Parts of speech. Today I learned a noun can be a person, place, or thing. Today I learned a noun can be a person, place, or thing. Today I learned a noun can be a person, place, or thing. A person, place, or thing. I can touch it. One. Adjective. Today I learned an adjective describes a noun. Today I learned an adjective describes a noun. Today I learned an adjective describes a noun. What kind, how, man, or who? Cat. Verb stop. First, the definition. A verb is a word that shows. A verb is a word that shows action. Action. Okay. Stop. I'll put it away. Run, clap, slide and hop. Run, clap, slide and hop. Run, clap, slide and hop. Verbs are words they pop, pop, pop. Adverbs. Adverbs can describe a verb. They answer the question how. They can never bleed slowly. Let's go find some adverbs now. Woo! Add ER when comparing two things to each other. Add EST when comparing three or more things. So still watching, I hope you enjoyed this lesson today.